Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to SC Outdoors. I am home back in Pennsylvania. Just spent a week in the Adirondacks. Did some fishing up there, did a lot of other stuff too. Really fun trip. Make sure you check out those videos. I'll leave them linked here. But today, I've got 2 more days till I have to go back to work. So I'm gonna, take full advantage. I'm going to try to catch something that I could not catch up in New York, and that is smallmouth. Tried, failed. Gonna try it again today. We're gonna go for some creek smallies. Probably going to start out throwing swim baits, Senkos, maybe some jerk baits. I'm not sure if they're still going to be on the jerk bait bite or not. I know it ended in June last year. So it's the first week of June now. Might still be on. There is walleye lurking around in here too, so that's always a possibility. What else to say about today? Might throw some topwater. It's really hot today, so I'm probably going to end up throwing the subsurface stuff till about an hour before dark, and then start throwing the popper. So that is the plan. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Alright guys, so first look at the creek. Flowing about normal. I knew that going into it. Just looked at the gauge before I came out. It is a little bit discolored. Not overly thrilled about that, but it's good enough, I think. Should be able to catch some bass. So let's get to it. Gonna start throwing probably a grub first and a Senko, just to get some bites going. Usually those are numbers baits, and then we'll move on from there. There we go. Oh, man. Oh, no, I got him. He was just running at me. He's really little. He choked it, though. It's the thing with these little baits like grubs, Senkos. They'll catch every smallmouth in here, any size. Including size like this. Really small bass, but feels good to catch a smallie. Hopefully there is quite a few more where that one came from. There we go. A little bit bigger. It's just a tiny upgrade, but hey, if we keep getting bigger, that's all that matters, right? Another little guy, barely bigger than the first, but it's another smallie. Check out this, guys. That is a big smallmouth. Could have died during the spawn. It's probably was about 4-pounder. There we go. This one's got some better size to it. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Little 1.5, 2-pounder. I'll take him all day. Right in the top of the jaw, perfect. Look how pretty that fish is. Gorgeous fish. Feel like I should get a better shot maybe away from the sun. Really pretty smallmouth. I love these guys. Probably my favorite fish to catch. And this guy's gorgeous. Love it. Get him back in here. There we go. Oh, it's a walleye. That's cool. Didn't expect you. Alright, well, I had to get some pliers. It was so far down there, and his teeth are not exactly smooth, so he's ready to go. But just one last look at this guy. Gorgeous fish. Love walleye. Oh, and there he goes. Graceful release as usual. There we go. Got something on the jerkbait. I think it's a bass. It is. Well, he gets barely on there too. I'm not a huge fan of floppy fish and jerkbait, that's for sure. Just one hook in him. Well, two. There's our first jerkbait smallie of the year, actually, for me. So that's pretty cool. So there is. I was switched to the jerkbait to catch some bigger fish, but hey, he'll do. Alright guys, I just figured I'd wrap this video up for you real quick. I forgot to make an intro while I was out fishing. But did okay. I mean, caught a few bass, caught a walleye. Can't really complain for a couple hours of fishing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the main bait of choice today was the grub. That really did some work. Jerkbait got one too. So it was a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you next time on SC Outdoors.